Good morning. You're listening Nishi Sharma, your news anchor from Lawfare Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 7th July from around the world. Now, China claims Bhutan's land in its bid to pressure India. China's fresh demand for Bhutan's territory is part of Beijing's larger drive to coerce the Himalayan nation into a boundary deal on Beijing's term and put more pressure on India. LAC standoff. NSA Doville Chinese FM engaged in tough negotiation. India and China have begun a long process of disengagement in eastern Ladakh after NSA Ajit Doville spoke to Wang Yi, China's foreign minister, and special representatives on Sunday evening. The conversation, which lasted 2 hours, saw the two SRs finalizing the elements of disengagement in eastern Ladakh and de-escalation along the LAC. India strictly monitoring Chinese troops pullback. Government sources said on India is strictly monitoring whether China was withdrawing its troops from friction points, adding global support to New Delhi and Prime Minister Narendra Modi's strong message during his visit to Ladakh last week may have had some impact on Beijing's agreeing to move back its army. Kuwait expat quota bill, how it can impact Indians. Migrant workers are having it hard in India and in Kuwait. As many as 8 lakh Indians could be forced to leave Kuwait if the West Asian country approves the expat quota bill, which was deemed constitutional by Kuwait's parliament on Monday. Absurd allegations against Virat Kohli based on conjectures, Cornerstone CEO Sadesh. Third parties with vested interest are trying to malign Indian captain Virat Kohli image with the conflict of interest allegations based on conjectures, CEO of talent management firm Cornerstone Bunty Sadesh said on Monday, defending his client. Coronavirus updates. India's COVID positivity rate stands at 6.73%, says government. India has reported a huge spike of 24,248 new corona cases in the last 24 hours, along with 425 fatalities, the Union Health Minister said on morning. The number of recoveries stands at 4,24,433, with 19,693 people have succumbed to the disease till now. COVID-19 cases in Delhi crossed 1 lakh mark with 1,379 new cases reported in the last 24 hours. 10 COVID-19 patients cured and discharged in Ladakh. Active cases dropped to 168, reports ANI quoting Department of Information and Public Relations Leh Ladakh. SpiceJet operating 25 flights from UAE, Saudi Arabia and Oman under Vande Bharat mission. Private carrier SpiceJet said it is operating 25 repatriations flights from 3 Middle Eastern countries to India under the Vande Bharat mission. In a press release, the airline said it will help bring back close to 45,000 Indians stranded in the UAE, Saudi Arabia and Oman during the coronavirus-induced lockdown. Maharashtra COVID-19 tally rise to 2,11,987 with 5,368 fresh cases. 204 new deaths take toll to 9,206, reports PTI quoting Health Department said. India's COVID-19 confirmed cases are 6,97,413. Deaths rose to 19,693. Kanpur encounter. First eyewitness account of bloodbath by injured cop. The first demeaning indictment of sabotage and conspiracy by notes in the police force during the midnight carnage at Bikru village has come from the eyewitness account of an injured station officer of Bithur police station, Kaushalendra Pratap Singh. I, Nishi Sharma, will come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.